What's up guys, Overdrive here with another week of Linea Park campaign. So first of all, today we're gonna have, at least it's scheduled, an upgrade for a Linea that's supposed to bring the gas fees down substantially. We'll see how it goes, but let's dive into the quests. I actually did the majority of them like a week ago, just didn't have time to make the video, and also was waiting for the couple of quests to actually start working properly. And as usual, I will be commenting on top of pre-recorded footage. The first quest is Yuliverse, and it says that there are only several supported regions. However, all regions can participate because there are two ways to verify and mint the NFT. So you just need to open the Yuliverse. And as you can see, there are two possible ways that you can complete it. The way number one is to download the app and create the account connecting your wallet that participated in Linea Park campaign. And option number two is just to follow the Twitter. So obviously, the following the Twitter is a far easier option. You can just verify and then you can mint the NFT. As you can see here, mint was crazy expensive. When the mint is done, it's gonna say minted. And then you can go back to the quest and verify. And optional tasks are only socials that, as usual, you can just skip as they don't give any LXP. Second quest is Sarubol. This one is very fast. You just need to do one mint. So you click on the link, it will take you to LN Swap. We've interacted with this platform several times throughout the Linea Park. So you just connect your wallet, sign the message, and you can mint. And when it's minted, you just go back to the quest, verify, and you can move on to other quests. Next one is Z2048. That's a game. You don't need to download anything. It works in the browser. Here, obviously, you need to connect the wallet and then you can start the game. Controls, the mouse, I don't think it's working at all. I think it's only arrows on your keyboard. Basically, the game is combining stuff, but if you just want the LXP, you don't care. You just can randomly click the buttons, basically. And once you have 30 moves, you can mint the NFT. That's it. You don't actually need to do anything else. And you go and verify. And there is a bonus task also, but it's basically the same. You don't need a strategy, you can just YOLO do it. And once you reach the end of the game, you can again mint the NFT. It was taking some time. Yeah, just mint it, it will show you your score, number of moves, and you can verify and move on to the next quest. Next one is gonna be Yooldo, a random pirate defense. So Yooldo platform, we previously interacted with this one. However, this is done within the app, so you will need to download this game, Random Pirate Defense. Obviously, once you are on Yooldo portal, you need to log in. You should be already registered if you did the tasks of the previous week. If that's your first time using this app, first you need to sign up and then you log in. Basically the process is the same, you just connect in your wallet. Then you can go to home and to the events tab, or just click on the Random Pirate Defense banner. Here we're just going inside the page of this event, and there are instructions here, pretty clear. But basically, what you need to do, you need to download the game, download the mobile app, and in the mobile app, you're just gonna see these buttons like Linea event. Basically, all you need to do, you just copy the user ID from the app and you paste it here. There are also buttons to get it. Once it's done, you click on the check and it will allow you to mint the NFT. Because without inputting your user ID, it will not allow you to do that. Inside the app itself, you don't need to connect the wallet, none of that. I actually haven't found any on-chain elements in the game itself. So once you minted the NFT, you go back, you verify, and there is a bonus task. And for the bonus, you need to complete 20 waves, defeat 20 waves of monsters, and the game is basically like a tower defense. So there's gonna be waves of monster coming, and you'll need to place your pirates to defeat them. So for me, I tried it once, and I failed, and I decided to skip it. Next quest is gonna be minting Lucky Cat. This one is pretty self-explanatory, however you need to do it in Timeless Wallet. So this is account obstruction wallet that works on Linea, and if you participated in previous Linea campaigns, you probably have it on your phone, as we did a couple of quests there for sure. If you don't have it, you can create a new wallet. As you can see here, instructions for creating the wallet. If you already have the wallet with the balance, or you have your EVM compatible wallet imported there, there are also instructions on how to do it, which tells you exactly where to click, where to find this function in the app itself, whether you're using the imported wallet or whether you created a new wallet. So pretty easy. However, I was unable to complete this quest because I previously had my EVM wallet imported into the Timeless, and in previous campaigns I was able to do it with no problems. However, this time when I tried to mint this NFT, it will just straight up giving me errors like, ooh, something went wrong, or network error, something like this. So I tried it for several days, and the last time I tried to launch the app, it would not recognize my wallet, so it would give me options of creating a new wallet, but I was like, I'm not doing that. Maybe if Timeless shows up again in the future campaigns, I will do it, but for now I will just skip it. But again, if you follow instructions and it doesn't give you errors, the quest should be easy to complete. Next one is gonna be Ulti-Pilot. Here we just open the website. First of all, you need to join, and as you can see, the verification code should be auto-posted here, but if it's not posted, you just input Linea. Then we need to connect the wallet. And the last step is to create your agent. You just specify the username, click continue, and it will load you inside this game. Here you just click begin, and basically here it will give you several options to choose from in terms of like personality. And I believe it's like 4 settings. So once you choose all 4, you can confirm in your wallet and mint the NFT. Once it says mint successfully, you can go back and verify. Optional tasks are only socials here. Next one is Tomo. This is a social-fi app, kind of like Friends Tag when you can buy keys. So here we need to connect the wallet. And so here, if you want the cheapest options, you can sort it with the price ascending. However, there is one slight problem here, because you cannot buy keys of the users that didn't connect any of the social profiles. If you try to do that, you get this error. You can only buy someone's keys if that person has connected at least one social media account. So our goal here, after you set the price, is to find the person who have connected social accounts. You're gonna see that below their username. Like here, hin, you can see there is an X account connected. However, keep in mind that because I think it's like cash-in and other people are buying keys also, the price that you see in here, sometimes they don't reflect the actual prices of the keys. Like here, I clicked on this one and it gave me $64 in total to buy the key. Despite the fact that the key itself, and obviously you're paying fees to the app, it was only showing 8 cents. In this case, it was showing 128, and the total cost was actually 564. So what I ended up doing, I was refreshing the list several times until I actually found the offer that I was okay with. So in this particular case, I found this Fetch AI, and it was 79 cents in total, so I just went with it. There you go, transaction sent. After that, you can go back and verify. Obviously, after that, you can sell this key that you own. And the last quest here is gonna be Showdown. For this one, you're gonna need Steam account. If you don't have Steam account, you need to register one. But as usual, there is a comprehensive guide that you can follow for that. If you already have Steam account, you can just go to step 3 and open the Showdown app. And here you need to click Enter App. Then Connect Steam button is on the top right. If you're not logged in your Steam in the browser, you log in, then sign in with your Steam, wait a little bit, and then you need to link your wallet address to your profile, sign the message, and then there's gonna be on-chain transaction to bind the whole thing together effectively. Once it's completed, it's gonna say wallet is linked, and you can go and verify. Again, socials, you can just skip. So these are the quests of Experience the East week. There is one more quest, it's called Macau, I believe. That one does not give you any LXP, and it's a simple like social action, one social action, I believe. So you can just complete it for the sake of getting layer 3 XP, or you can just skip it because again, it doesn't give you any LXP. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like if that was helpful, and I'll see you soon.